What at first glance looks like a sophisticated French fold is more like an Easter egg hunt. If you take a closer look, there are tipped on different substrates right in the fold. Hi everybody, I'm Sabine Lenz, founder of PaperSpecs, with your weekly dose of paper inspiration. As much as I love a good art book, I don't often get my hands on one that actually feels like an art object in its own right. Paper Dolls definitely is an exception. It uses strategically placed die cuts, embossing, hot foil stamping, and extended gamut printing to illustrate a poem about humanity's two deepest questions. Who am I, and what could I become? Much of London artist Hormazd Narielwalla's collage work explores how clothing tells a story, frequently featuring collage pieces affixed to vintage sewing patterns. In Paper Dolls, some of these colorful works are interspersed with full-bodied self-portraits in which the artist reimagines himself as a geisha. While the Frida Kahlo-esque face barely changes from image to image, her outfit does so dramatically from one page to the next. Each outfit consists of numerous pieces, each with its own color and pattern brought together like an elegant jigsaw puzzle. In some cases, to complement the poetry on the facing page, the illustration is straightforward and simply offset printed on 135-gram Garda Patkiara. In other cases, debossing and a spot gloss varnish add some tactile interest to an already visually textured image. But my personal favorite, and the ones that elevate this book from a mere art book to an art piece, are the more complex reproductions, the ones that stop you mid-browsing and leave you wondering. That is because they are printed on a French fold that has been intricately die-cut to allow a separately printed and finished sheet tucked between the two folded panels to peek through on the illustration side, completing the picture. These extravaganzas include pages that feature a tipped-on and hot foil stamped sheet, strategically placed hot stamped foil mixed in with tipped-on tactile substrates, or much like the artist's collages himself, feature different fabrics and substrates and allow them to shine through the die cuts. This technique becomes even more impressive when one panel of the French fold is die cut while the other is embossed, completing two different illustrations in different exciting ways. I'm not even sure there's a term for this 3-page French fold. That's how ambitious this book is. This exquisite experience is rounded out with die-cut tip-ons that in some cases can be lifted to reveal additional thoughts. The beautiful smythstone binding that features different colored threads not only adds another intricate level to this piece of art, it also allows the book to lay open flat. One reason the illustrations in Paper Dolls are so eye-catching is because of the vibrancy of their colors. Everything you see here was produced using extended gamut, or what Boss Print rightfully calls vivid color. In this case, using CMYK plus violet, this process achieves significantly more accurate color reproductions on press. From its super inventive use of French folds to the sophisticated placement of die cuts, this book doesn't just reproduce works of art, it is one. While smyth binding is a perfect solution for books that need to lay open flat, there are so many other binding options available to you. Whatever you're designing, make sure to download our free binding cheat sheet right now to get the pros and cons for each and every one of them. Did you enjoy this video? Then please subscribe to our channel. And of course, it would be amazing if you share it with all your friends. And keep sending me your fabulous printed pieces. I love to feature them.